Mrembe handi. You know, I must salute you in my language. My name is Ambassador Yvonne Shibihwa Hamati. I am an Idaho from Ikolomani, Kakamega County. Your governor is my comrade, is my friend, is my colleague. We're in different parties. Mimi niko kule pahali anapiga, lakini mimi ni yule nasema Simba Arati anasimama na watu wake na nitasimama na yeye. That one, by the way, as a generation, comrade, there is no way we are fighting each other. We stand together. We look out for each other. Anaangalia pahali niko, mimi naangalia pahali yuko, namwambia mzee uko sawa? Ananiambia niko sawa. Ananiambia wewe uko sawa? So for Kisii, I think that you made the right choice. With Simba, you are in good hands. Fight with him. He is a fighter. Saa zingine mnajua mtafikiria yeye ni nini, lakini hiyo vita yake ni ya watu wake, ni yenu, for you, for the people. And there are issues and there are questions that we must ask right now, that he's asking. I'm not going to... Do you want me to say more? Deputy Governor, Karibu, is where is the Deputy Governor? Yes, Karibu. Change has to happen. Things must be done. Fertilizer, that is a story we must discuss. Senior? Linturu must go where? Linturu must go where? Very good. Comrade, I don't know why you've not invited Jack here, because we all know that is the proponent of Linturu must go home. These choices that have been made, we must relook. We must rethink. We must ask ourselves again, were we sincere or just political? Many of these people must go home. And I've spoken to Kibagendi before I got here. I told him, next motion, next removal for the next minister must come from him. Kisii now, Bungoma has shown the way, led by Jack. Now Kisii must show the way, led by Kiba. And you, Simba, must show the way as the most progressive governor we have in this country. And that's why I came. And I stand by you, I will stand by you, and I stand by my words. I'm not scared. If they want to do anything, wafanye. Wakitaka kunitoa,